Alright, YouTube, I bought this car at an auction, trying to get it going. When I first got it, it didn't have any damage really towards the motor. The belt's kind of caught up there, but it still spins. I'm just trying to get it working. I didn't have the original key for it when I bought it in the auction. It was crashed. I put the key in here. I called a locksmith to help me make a key because it didn't come with a key, but they said it needs a chip. I have all these lights going on it, the anti-theft. Trying to see how to bypass it. I saw another guy on YouTube bypassing it, and you see, I go forward, nothing happens. All you see is that light on the odometer and the check engine light. But I saw this guy on YouTube, he bypassed it from the starter itself. As you see, the starter's right about right here. This one, I put a wire on the bolt, as you can see right there. And let's see, you can hear the motor.